If you have been buying Moroccan soap formulas online and your results are inconsistent, you are wasting money. In my Moroccan class soap masterclass, I'll teach you the exact professional formula, correct cooking stages, active balance, and how to produce a soap that actually brightens and sell out fast. No trial and no error, just reformulations. If you're serious about mastering Moroccan soup formulations and you are tired of using random internet recipes that gives you inconsistent results, then this masterclass is exactly what you need. Inside this training, I walk you through the complete professional formulations processes step by step. You will understand how Moroccan soup actually works, how to choose the right base materials, how to properly incorporate brightening actives, how to control each cooking stages correctly, and how to maintain the right pH for skin safetiness and effectiveness. I will show you how to avoid common formulation mistakes that causes color changes, separations, instability, or skin irritations. You will learn how to balance your ingredients properly so your soap brightens and even the skin tone safely without bleaching or damaging the skin barriers. This is not guesswork. This is not trial and error. This is reformulation knowledge. If you're ready to level up your skin care skills and produce Moroccan soap like a professional, click the link in the description box below and join the masterclass. And don't forget to follow us on our Instagrams using the handles showing on the screen right now. See you in the masterclass.